Hello folks, there's various ways of making plant food, and the first one involves a plastic container, an old plastic barrel in this case, with a hole in the bottom. We've made a hole about 2 inches diameter in the bottom of it, and there's an arrangement of blocks in such a way that a container can fit in between them, and position the barrel on the blocks in such a way that the container is directly under the hole. I've collected these comfrey leaves and nettle leaves, and I'm going to fill up the barrel with these leaves. I've filled it up with leaves. Now there's no water added to this at all. It's just the dry leaves. I put a lid on top so that it'll go inside the container, and then a weight on top of the lid, like so, and the pressure of the weight will cause the liquid to drip slowly into that container at the bottom. And the material compresses down, and over the course of the season we replenish the barrel 2 or 3 times with more comfrey and nettle leaves, and we're left then with a liquid which is rich in potash and nitrogen to use in a diluted form as a plant food. And this is another resource. This is wood ash from the log burning stove, kept in a galvanized bucket. Sometimes the ash is hot, so it can't be plastic. And this wood ash is rich in potash, which is another vital ingredient for all kinds of flowering plants. It encourages flowering, in fact. So we store it over the winter, and we keep a lid on it, because the potash, if this gets wet, the potash leaches out of it. So we keep it covered, and then we use it about this time of the year on fruit trees to encourage flowering, and therefore more fruit on the rose bed and on tomatoes, for instance. And another resource is human liquid activator, otherwise known as urine, and this can be occasionally poured onto a compost heap. It won't do any harm. It's a sterile liquid. Here we go. We pour it on simply, and we're very lucky here in that this particular compost heap was constructed using a base of corrugated perforated tin, and it just so happens that the little liquid that comes out drips slowly into this container and can be collected and be used as a concentrated plant food. Thank you folks, bye, good luck.